Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for May and it is a Lookfantastic, and it's not a box this month, it's a special edition bag. So you can have a brief look at the products there, but I'll go through it all in detail. But if you're new to Lookfantastic and you want to learn a little bit more about the subscription, then carry on watching. But as always, if you just want to skip through that and see the contents, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. This beauty bag is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. And they've kindly given me a code to share with you, which is May 30. If I've got that wrong, I'll pop it up on the screen anyway. But if you were to subscribe this month, then you'll be able to receive this bag with a 30% discount. I'll pop links to the subscription plus the code and any other deals and any other limited editions they've currently got running on their website down below in my description. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. Lookfantastic is a monthly beauty subscription box that ships worldwide and it costs £15 a box, and inside you get 6 beauty products. Since the start of the year they've changed things up a little bit, as in they will give us 4 items. It could be different to other people, but we receive 4 items and they go in detail about the 4 items in the booklet, and then the other 2 are random selections based on your profile or anything else you have filled in within this subscription. If you subscribe for a monthly rolling subscription, you can cancel any month, but they also offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. For instance, if you were to take out a 12-month subscription, instead of paying £15 a month, your box will be reduced to £13 a month. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, if there's anything else you want to learn, then please ask away. But let's get on to showing you what's inside this month's box. Bag. I keep saying that. So we get a little booklet as usual, and in here details everything about the products inside the box. So I'll refer to this as we go along. But let's see what's coming up next month then. So the sneak peek, we have got Disciple What Spot Dots, salicylic and hyaluronic acid. So the perfect quick solution for stressed out skin, calming redness, protecting from infection, and injecting a boost of natural salicylic acid to help detox blocked pores. So everyone will be getting that in their box next month. The theme for this month then is it's time to get away, I'm guessing. I think so. That's what it says on the front there. We've swapped out this month's regular beauty box for something extra special. This handy makeup pouch is perfect for those weekend staycations and allows you to keep those beauty essentials close by. But that's not all. We're celebrating mental health awareness this month at Lookfantastic, and I've got some excellent tips and tricks to keep your mind in the beauty game on page 16. As well as all that, find your usual favourites, need to know beauty insiders and June sneak peeks all within these glorious pages. Days are longer, the air is warmer, and we can't wait to get away with this month's beauty bag. So yeah, it's a really nice bag, isn't it? Do you have like dedicated bags to keep things like I do? Like I'm thinking this would be great to pop in toothpaste and toothbrushes and things like that. And I've got a dedicated brush bag, a skincare bag, a hair care bag, a makeup bag. When I go away, I try to downsize as much as I can, but obviously I still take quite a lot with me. But yeah, oh, that's one thing I need to ask you as well. I'm due to go on a big holiday in July. It's been booked for years thanks to the pandemic. So we're going on a big holiday to Greece for 2 weeks, and I just wondered if you're interested. It used to be a thing years ago on YouTube, but you might not be interested now. But if you are, please comment down below. But if you're interested in seeing what products I'll be bringing with me to Greece, it's Santorini. So yeah, so what I'll be bringing with me and things like that, or even a lookbook if you were interested in seeing what I wore in Santorini and whatever. If there's anything you think would be really great for this channel that you'd be interested in seeing related to my holiday, then please comment down below. Obviously there'll be vlogs. I vlog everywhere I go, so let me know down below if you're interested. So first up, we've got a Bondi Sands. It's a daily moisturising face, SPF 50+ high protection UVA UVB 4-hour water resistant lotion, and we have got here, it's a little mini size or a little sample. There's 10 mils here. So a nice size to try, but not enough to take away on holiday. Unless you're going away for a night. Yeah, then that might be handy there. But what can I tell you about it? Thanks to its non-greasy consistency, the cream is comfortable to wear and easy to apply, while water-resistant technology works to keep your skin safe for up to 4 hours. Ultra moisturising, the lotion offers intense hydration, transforming skin from dry and dull to smooth and silky. And then it goes on to tell you how to use. So yeah, so we've got a Bondi Sands SPF moisturising cream there. Next, we've got a Rituals body shimmer in Myrrh. No, it's not. I thought it was Myrrh. Why did I think it's Myrrh? Maybe because it's like a goldy colour. But it's the Ritual of Karma. I love Ritual of Myrrh, but I love Ritual of Karma. This is a Soul Shimmering Body Oil, and there's 30 mils there. This is beautiful. Smells gorgeous, but it is beautiful. I think, have I got one in Ritual of Karma? I'm not sure. I think I've only got Ritual of Myrrh, but oh, it feels gorgeous. So definitely amazing for a night away or a holiday. If I'm wearing like a strapless dress or a halter neck dress where I've got my shoulders showing, then yeah, I would rub it all in my shoulders and down my arms and down my legs just to give it a bit of shimmer, and it just smells nice. It is a lovely product. This luxurious body oil is infused with tiny shimmering mineral particles to reflect the light and add a stunning shine. The non-sticky formula feels light and hydrating to the skin. It just says to shake well and apply it to clean, dry skin. But yeah, it's really pretty. So there's that. Next, we've got a product by Groom. This is a purifying facial cleanser. Detox and purify, activated charcoal and lemongrass. And I'm actually wearing the Groom SPF 50 this morning. I can't remember where I got that from. I think I got it in a freebie. I signed up for something. You know, if you're on Facebook, you have loads of pop-ups, like beauty pop-ups and stuff, you know, free sample this, free sample that. So I think that's what I did, and I had it, and I really like it. It's only a little one, but I really, really like it. So this is a cleansing bar. It's handmade, using activated charcoal to magically absorb toxins, leaving skin clearer and brighter, and detoxifying lemongrass oil to promote a smooth and supple texture. I hope it's not square, and I'll tell you why. Yes, it is square. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love lemons. I love lemons. Oh, it just smells gorgeous. Doesn't look great, does it? A big block of soap there, black soap. It's fine. Ooh, what's on my hand? Oh, look! I just noticed. What on earth is that? It looks like pen. I don't know what I've been doing. I'm gonna have to go and wash my hands. It's not coming off. I'll do it after this. The reason I was hoping it wasn't going to be square is just because it's just easier to use if it's a little bit rounded, more like a pebble, you know, because it's just, you think rubbing it in your hands like this, initially it does soften, it does round in time the more you use it, but it's just nicer if it was a pebble. It just, yeah, it's just better. The Zero Plastic Cleansing Bar is handmade using activated charcoal to magically absorb toxins, leaving skin clearer and brighter. And I've just read that, haven't I? Never mind. Lather with warm water in the shower or bath, cleanse face and rinse thoroughly. So we've got a charcoal and lemongrass cleansing bar. Next up, we got a product from We Are Paradox. This is a 3-in-1 conditioner, hair mask, finishing cream, and there is 50 mils here. Now, I've just received one of these in a different subscription box this month, so I've got 2 of them now. I have got a few little mini ones that I've had in different boxes as well, and I've kept them. I've put them to the side, ready to take on holiday with me. So I haven't actually tried it yet, but it sounds amazing. A 3-in-1, a hair mask, finishing cream, and a conditioner. The conditioner envelopes tresses with rich nutrients from Irish Carogian moss, honey locusts, and nettle to help fortify. Smooth and tame. Antioxidant matcha green tea combined with hazelnut and coconut oils offer intense high-powered conditioning action in synergy. It says after shampooing, work into wet hair and rinse. You can also apply to towel-dried hair as a leave-in conditioner or dry hair as a styling cream. So we've got a multi-purpose hair product there by We Are Paradox. So those are the 4 items that are in my little booklet. The next two, if you heard the first part of my video, this is what I was talking about. The next two are from a selection of these, and they can be different from everyone else, and there's no information about them. So to start, I've got a Ciati London highlighter in shade Starburst. So it looks like there. There. Okay. Can you see? I've already got one of these, so I'll see if my daughter wants one. But yeah, it's pretty. It doesn't say anything about it in here. No. Add a gentle sweep across cheekbones, brow bones, and where the light would naturally hit your face for a soft natural glow, or layer for an intense shimmer. So there's that. And then Sol de Janeiro. This is Bum Bum Cream. The smell of this is absolutely gorgeous. I've got a larger version of this in a limited edition box that is now sold out from Cult Beauty a little while ago. And oh, it is gorgeous. It is so nice. It feels amazing. Really, really feels nice on the skin. Does it say infused with all-powerful guarana extract, fast absorbing body cream, helps visibly tighten the appearance of skin. That's about it really, but look. Ooh, it's so nice. So nice. And the packaging is great, isn't it? So there you go. So those are all the products inside Lookfantastic beauty bag. So I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. We've got a We Are Paradox 3-in-1 conditioner and hair treatment, leave-in conditioner and styling cream. We've got a Ritual of Karma shimmering body oil. We've got a Groom facial cleansing balm. Got a Bondi Sands SPF 50 face cream. Then I've got the Ciati London highlighter, Glow 2 highlighter. And I got the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. And they all come in this see-through bag. So final thoughts are, there's a lot of familiars in there, but that is, it's because I do YouTube and I unbox other boxes, so I'm bound to come across other products and things. But it's nice actually. I don't think we've seen a Bum Bum cream before. I don't think we've seen the Bondi Sands cream before, maybe the cleanser. So it's nice to see some products that we don't usually see in subscription boxes. I like the fact that, yeah, they're all holiday, night away, wherever you are, themed then, you know, you've got a bit of everything there. So yeah, I do think it's worth the money this month. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of the products in this month's bag? Are you a subscriber? Have you received your bag yet? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know. Even if you're watching this thinking, nah, it is really not for me this month, I'd love to hear. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.